Hi, welcome to Cafe de Lora's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I make my meatloaf. These are all the ingredients that I prepared here. Ground beef. Next is our finely chopped onion. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. 1 cup of fresh milk. 2 pieces of scrambled egg. Our 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, our cloves, crushed garlic here, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna use this maybe about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, and then our ketchup. And let's start. So in this big bowl, we're gonna mix all our ingredients. First, our ground beef. This gonna be up. We're not gonna make all of it. It's gonna be a okay. So next, our finely chopped onion. Next, our breadcrumbs. Next is our dried parsley. Next, our ground black pepper. Next, our 5 cloves of pressed garlic. Our salt, the scrambled egg, and next our fresh milk. So this is all what we're gonna do. We're just gonna mix everything, or I could add the ketchup now. You don't need to measure ketchup. It depends to you guys how much ketchup do you guys want. Just about like maybe 1/4. Next is our Worcester sauce. Alright. Next, we're just like gonna mix all of it. Smells so good now. Smells very nice. The reason why I like using gloves, this is number 1, that I just don't like touching the meat like itself, like without my gloves. Pretty sure this is gonna be delicious. And then after we mix all the ingredients, we're gonna make a toppings for our meatloaf. And then this meat, we're just like gonna transfer it in our baking dish. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so next step we're gonna do is we're going to transfer it in the baking dish. Look. So we have our baking dish ready here. What we're gonna do, we're just like gonna transfer our meat in this 2 baking dish loaf. And then we're gonna bake them about like an hour. To save for a little bit of space for our toppings. dough. So in this bowl, now we're gonna make our toppings for our meatloaf. So first, our ketchup, a lot of ketchups. And next, our red wine. Our brown sugar, and then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper, nice. We have to stir it well so the brown sugar can dissolve. All right. Here's our I'm gonna put some in our meatloaf. And then we're going to bake it about an hour. We have to save some more for our next loaf. So here is our meatloaf. They were going to pop in the oven. So our oven was been preheated for 400 Fahrenheit. So now we're gonna pop in our meatloaf. Because that's it. I hope you enjoy.